in there that way, or this way. Maybe this way. Yeah, I might be able to do that. All right, so here's what I want to do. I got a bunch of these that Tom had given me. I don't remember where they actually put them, but they may be pretty good for what I'm looking to do. But if I'm looking at certain things, or soldering certain things, sometimes I need that little extra light. And I'm wondering, that's not going to work there. That one's good. And this one may work, because that fan is not going to be just like that. It's only there right now. I mean, it's going to be in that vicinity, but not like it is. Let's plug these in here. Come on, where are you? Okay, come on, come on. Let's be nice about this whole thing. There. Okay. Now that should have power on it. I don't know if these bulbs are good or not. They're not the white that I like, but if they give light, yeah, they kind of give out light. And then I have these lights. Yeah. Okay, and these lights should go off with this switch. Well, apparently not. So why not? Huh? This light, the top light goes out, right? Right. They're plugged into the same switch. So why aren't these going out? I turn the switch off. That goes off. Those should go off. They're plugged into the same plug. So why? Why? And none of them are going off. What the hell is the problem here? They have a roller switch on them here where I can turn them on and off. But I'd rather be able to just flip the switch. But then again, if I don't really need them on, turn the switch on now, see what happens. Yeah, see, they're on the same plug. And I even unplugged that and moved it over. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. I'm only the guy working on it. That's all I have. That's all I have. I want to do this because I don't want that. I think I'm going to use this one. Yep, as soon as I clear it out. Let me put that up there. I forgot about that little puppy. Yeah, that little puppy. There we go. There. There. Okay, let's put this over here so we dry. So we dry. Get this out of the way. And put this in here. Get my fingers off it, that'll help. Okay. So this dried up nicely. Yes, it did. Got dirt all over me. I do. Whoop. Okay. Let's do this. Here we go. Just a little stuck. Just a little stuck. down, down, up. That means if I push down in here, this should go up. Yep, okay. Up and down, up and down. Clean that up a little bit. Good. Goody, goody, goody. Goody, goody, goody. Down? Right. Okay. And up. Now if I push that down, once I have a spring back on it, it'll come right back up again. Okay. Oh, a little dab of solder. Oh, so that was your problem, huh? Little solder got in there. Hmm. So now if this goes back in there like so, good. I push that down. Yep, okay. So that's going to be just ducky. Should rinse my hands off a little bit. Yeah, alright, noticed? Alright, this is something else I gotta work on. Let me get these out of the way for now. Because these are not doing what I want them to do. So we'll work on them when I have time to work on that switch. I mean, that's crazy. That switch has power. It do. Now, maybe I should turn that around. No, not now. Not the way I have it in there. That'll be a long, hard process that may even break it. Okay, so let's go. I don't want to lose the spring. Okay. Now, I gotta figure this out. I do. What the hell is that? Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. I see what it is. Stay right there. Good. Alright, now. I got a fan here for it, so it'll cool down. See, part of this was like a kit type thing. This and a part of the board. Then I added, because this part here, where these plug into, are part of the kit. Not that you have to solder parts onto the board, but it's a board. So there's a board about yay wide and about yay long, where these plugs plug into. And this works. However, I wanted to add a little bit more to it, and I wanted to put a fan in there. So I got a little fan in there, and this is the vent for the fan, because I wanted to keep it cool. I mounted it on this piece of plastic. And then I put the banana plugs in, and then I added this. This is the input. Now, I wasn't thinking of that coming over here. So what I've done, I made it so it sits, not hangs. So this is going to go here someplace, but it's going to have to wait. Well, I'm thinking about putting a shelf over here. Yeah. Or should I put it over here? It doesn't make a difference. I'm thinking about putting a shelf. Maybe I'll put it over here, because I have a buffing wheel over here, and I'm not going to move it. So I can use the shelf to kind of separate the two so nothing gets caught in the belt. Yeah, that's what I can do. Alright, so now that I talk to myself as to what I'm going to do, that's going over there. So let's just see something.